Hi guys, I'm Mayank. Today I'm going to show you that instead of using Cloud Code Premium, you can use Google's AntiGravity to create your own n8n automation by just explaining or writing a prompt for it. First, you have to download the AntiGravity. Just head over to the Chrome or whatever browser you are using. Head over to antigravity.google and download this. If you have Mac or Windows, I have Windows, so I downloaded it already. So here it is. Okay, so I have set up all, and you have to create a folder for this for project. You have to create a folder. I have created this as automation learning. Okay, so for this, as we are doing the automation like n8n automations, we should have n8n skills, MCPs, and all the nodes information and skill, n8n workflows information and all. So here we have different types of GitHub repos for all this n8n skill, MCPs, and nodes and workflows. So here is the repo for n8n templates. This is a repo for n8n skills. This is the repo for n8n MCP, and this is for n8n nodes and all. I'll be providing all the GitHub repo links in the description. So first, let's download this n8n MCP. You just have to copy the link over here, link from here, and just head over to AntiGravity. Open the terminal. You have to type here git clone and then paste the link and click enter. Okay, so I have already installed this. So let's get into the another repo. So this is the another repo. Let's click over here and click copy the link and get into the anti-gravity, and same here, click on git clone, then paste the link, enter. So it's downloading the n8n that nodes info. Let's just wait, let it be download. So as this is my first video on YouTube, so please do subscribe and like, and also do the comment button. What's the next video should I make? Okay, so it's done over here. So let's get into the another repo. Here is another repo. I think this is downloaded, and this is the repo. Just have to click here, copy the link, head over to anti-gravity, and just type git clone and just paste the link and enter. Okay guys, this is also done. Let's get into the another repo. This is for templates and all. Click the link, head over to anti-gravity, just type git clone, then paste the link, enter. Okay, so we are done with all this repository. So let's go further, and here we are going to type read all the MCP n8n templates and nodes, and I want you to help me out for my AI automation in n8n. So guys, I think I told wrong over here. I told instead of nodes, I have told nodes, I guess. But the agent will know everything. So as you can see, the agent is replying all the things, and agent is reading all this GitHub repos we have downloaded over here. With this, you can make your AI automation very easily. Like you just need to give the prompt, and it will create the automation in just a second. Not in a second, but as easy as possible. You don't have to go to every single node and debug it and all. It will create by own. You just need to create just need to connect your credentials on the like. Okay, so let's create a workflow. Create a personal assistant which I can see my all the emails. If email is regarding collaboration, then draft a personalized email, and if it is not, just leave. So as it is an n8n workflow, I wanted to give me this in a JSON format. So guys, it is creating a workflow for us. We just need to copy paste, that's all, and connect our credentials in the n8n. It is very easy to create your automations now. Okay, so guys, it has also given me a flowchart of this. We can open it and see. Here's the Google Gmail triggers, extract and all. So as we have given that if it is a collaboration email, it will draft the email, and else if it is not an collaboration email, then it just leave it. So guys, I think it's done creating this. We can see this over here. This is all that JSON format. We just have to paste this in the n8n workflow. So let's get over to n8n. Okay, so it has created the workflow. So we just have to click over here, import from file, and just select the file and click on open. So guys, here is the workflow. I'll just rearrange it and give you in the, I'll just show you by just connecting the credentials. Guys, I'm done with credentials also. Let's just execute this workflow. Okay, there's an error over here. Let's just see this. Okay, so there's an error in this. Let's figure this out. I'll just copy paste this in chat GPT. Okay, so there is an error here in the, I guess, the structure one. So let's get over to chat GPT. Just copy paste it. The correct output, I'll just copy this code and paste this over here. Click on enter. Okay, so let's execute this once again. So let's execute this workflow now. Okay, so yet I have not received any collaboration email. You just can see over here there is no collaboration email. So let's send a collaboration email to this. Okay, so now I have received a collaboration email. So let's execute our workflow once again. Okay, so as I've received the collaboration email, you can see the workflow is working. So let's get over into it. And is that, see, you can see a draft email over here. Let's click on it. Okay, so here's the draft email. So thanks for watching this video. Let's see you in next video. Till then, stay tuned.